Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to go over how I achieve this look using all of About Face Cosmetics or About Face Beauty cosmetics. So I will start with the eyes. So I used their eye paints, fluid eye paints on this eye. So on the inner eye, I used this one. Let me see. It's called Cloned. It's like a reddish brown. I don't want to take it out. It's kind of liquidy, kind of messy. But it's a reddish brown. It's pretty much this color that's on the outside of the packaging, which is cool because then you'll know which one you have. And this is my first time trying all these products. And I then used on the outer eye, I used a darker brown called Weightless. And then to add the shimmer, that's a pretty shimmer, I use the, this is the Fractal eye paint. And it is in the color Fracture. So I applied that on top of the lid. And then on the bottom, I was just going to make this a nude look, but then I realized this St. Patrick's Day, and so I wanted to incorporate some green. So my eye contacts are green, and then I used a green eyeliner on the bottom, and then I used this shimmering pigment. And it's in Bombshell. It's from a different company. Got this years ago. Let me get this cap on right. And for the lashes, I'm using another lash from Desi. What is it called? Desi. I forgot the daggone name of the company that quick. But Desi lashes. And this is in the style Iconic. So also from About Face, I use their new foundation. The Performer Skin Focused Foundation. And this is in the color D3 Neutral. And I like it. I tried it. I've worn it once before and I really like it. So I picked the wrong color directly from the site. I picked the olive color. I know I shouldn't have picked olive because I have no olive tones, but I picked it just to try it, and they when I wanted to return it, I was just going to return it and get a different color, but after setting up the return, it said I didn't have to return it back. So if anybody out there has an olive tone undertone in their skin that's not too far from my complexion, let me know. I'll send it to you at no charge. But because I have no real use for it. But yeah, so I ended up getting a like a what do they call that? Goodness gracious, my mind just went blank. I do that sometimes from time to time, have a brain fart. But since they didn't have the D3 Neutral on the site, I went on Ulta and got this one, and then instead they gave me a credit directly on the About Face site. So I got a couple more things with the credit. So also from About Face, I use their blush, cream blush. And this is in the color Shagged. And it's pretty much the color of the packaging. And I did what they showed people doing. I rubbed it on with just the package. And then I went over it with a blush that I have, powder blush in Grape. I've shown this before. From La Femme. And also from About Face, I used the lip color from them. And this is the color. So in this case, the lid is the color, and then the packaging is clear so you can see through. And that is, I wanted a nude color. And what color was this? Oh, here it is. This is in the color, if I can see it, Nude Awakening. And then I went over it with About Face gloss. And this is in the color Adore Me. So it's kind of like a nude brown. And I kind of just went on the outside with the gloss and smacked my lips together because I still wanted the nude color to show. I didn't want to really disturb it with that brown gloss. But I also used a brown lip liner from Juvia's Place in Cola. But yeah, so this is how I completed this look. I do have the video from TikTok attached to this video in the description box. I have the link below. And I'm sure you've been hearing they're gonna possibly ban TikTok, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to switch things up, but in the meantime, I'm gonna keep on posting tutorials there. And I did, the song I did was a song by RuPaul. And thanks to my bestie, Shannon, we used to watch her show together. And she still watches it, but I watch it from time to time. And this new season, she came out with this song called Hustle That Kitty. So I thought it was a nice song, and I did the tutorial to that song. So that's how I completed the look. I hope you like this look, and I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.